Hello. On behalf of Onvoi and Onvoi Interactive, I'm here to give a status report, an update on some of the tremendous progress we've made in further developing the Onvoi entertainment system, which is going to be a unique and distinctive entertainment platform that will transformationally and substantially change the entertainment landscape because it will enable interactive capability in terms of consumers being able to guide the stories and guide the adventures of beloved characters on the screen through simple user friendly capability via a two push button keypad device. And there'll be a little box, an Onvoi box underneath the TV set. And with that little box installed underneath the TV set, consumers will have an autonomous hardware based entertainment platform that will be able to be compatible with any and all TV sets, regardless of manufacturer. Because the little box in the TV set will receive a wireless and radio frequency signal from a two push button remote control. We call it a keypad device, and we call the little box underneath the TV set, we call that a receiver unit. It's an Onvoi box or an Onvoi receiver unit that's installed underneath the TV set. The implications of this technology, these technology changes that we hope to implement into the marketplace, they're substantial for several reasons. First and foremost, the new type of technology, interactive technology, will be distinctive from video games because the medium, the interactive medium, will be less immersive than video games, but it will be more hands-on than traditional passive entertainment content. So the ecosystem, the platform, the Onvoi box, which will present a litany of different entertainment options for the consumer, will be different because of the remote control that comes with the little Onvoi box. By hitting the top button or the bottom button, they will have a say in how the stories and the adventures of beloved characters on the screen, how the stories end, how the endings turn out differently, and it will provide consumers with a motivational reason to turn to content again and again because based on their participation, based on their input, interactive input via the two push button keypad device, the endings will be different, the stories will advance differently, and this will create a new and distinctive entertainment platform that's different from any other platform currently out there or that has ever been out there in entertainment history. So also we think about eventually utilizing the technology that we're developing in terms of radio frequency, RF, for purposes of interactive cinema. We foresee a day where eventually Onvoi branded interactive theaters could be established in towns, municipalities of all sizes, in big cities and small rural towns, so that in terms of in-person entertainment, we foresee this interactive kind of choose-your-own-adventure technology taking place in the cinematic landscape. Eventually, depending on the amount of funding that we get, our main priority is to get the direct-to-consumer option, the little box underneath the TV set in the living room. That's the main thing we want to focus on because in and of itself, the interactive capability that makes it distinguishable from traditional passive entertainment content, that in itself, the consumer choice, the consumer input function to the storytelling, that in itself will be transformationally important and will revolutionize the entertainment landscape. But when we can implement later on that technology in the cinema landscape, in the local movie theater, that will result in a tremendously lucrative and advantageous opportunity for investors that choose to get involved. So please review the other videos at www.onvoi.net and you will see some prototype designs of the two push button remote control, which we call a keypad device. And you will also see prototype designs, both physical and digital, of the little box that goes underneath the TV set. And we've put a lot of thought and a lot of effort into this project, and we think it will be a gigantic success. But I also may add that there's a lot of pressure in today's world to say that you have a team or that you're doing it as a big group, and there's a lot of pressure in life to say you have to invest in my team in order to do it. I've kind of learned that it pays to tell the truth. And when people understand that I've essentially done this all by myself, and it's been a tremendous challenge along the way to make it happen, I think that should motivate investors more than ever to put some money down. Because if me by my lonesome is doing this without any help from anyone, and imagine the possibilities if I could get a competent team in my life that could help move these initiatives forward, and so that energy resources and the little money that we have becomes a bigger sum of money, and we can get this project rolled out very effectively and efficiently. So thank you so very much for listening, and on behalf of Onvoi and Onvoi Interactive, I very much hope to hear from some of these investors, and even a humble investment at this stage in time will result in what I am very confident, and I am fully committed to. This is going to change the entertainment landscape. It will. It's just a matter of time. And I think we came first, but I'm sure there's other people working on it. So if we get the funding now, hang on to your hat, because there will be tremendously uplifting and beneficial changes happening in entertainment for everyone involved, and above all else for consumers. Consumers of all types, all demographics, all ages, from children to the elderly, will be delighted by this new, unique, original, and distinctive entertainment platform that will empower consumers, give them more choice, and above all else, it will be a heck of a lot of fun. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day.